children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Welcome to EVS online class. Okay. Today we are going to learn external body parts. Today we are going to learn external body parts. Listen. EVS Unit 1 External Body Parts. Yeah, children, anybody you know what is the meaning of EVS? EVS means what? Anybody say the answer? Yeah, children, you know the answer. EVS means Environmental Science. EVS means what? EVS means Environmental Science. Environmental Science. In today's class, we are going to learn external body parts. Say children, external body parts. Okay? Yeah, children, clear? Okay. Yeah, now I will show the picture for you. Okay? I will show the pictures for you. You identify the picture's name. You identify the picture's name. Yeah, children, are you ready? Listen. What is this? Children, say the answer. What is this? Say the picture name. Eyes. What is this? Eyes. Say again. Eyes. Okay. Yeah, children, next one. What is this? Ear. Ear. Say again. Yeah, children, after repeat me. Ear. What is this? Nose. Nose. Yeah, children, please touch your nose. What is this? Nose. What, children? What is this? What is the name of this picture? Tongue. Tongue. Yeah, children, please after repeat me. Tongue. What picture? Say the name. Face. Say all of you. Face. Face. What is this? Legs. Legs. Yeah, children, touch your legs. Touch your toes. Okay. Yeah, children, now I will give one activity for you. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, children. Now, close your eyes. Children, please close your eyes. What do you see on the screen? Children, what do you see on the screen? Yeah, can you able to see the screen? No. Yeah, children, now open your eyes. Children, please open your eyes. Yeah, now what do you see in the screen? Class 2 EVS Unit 1. Okay. Yeah, now I will close my eyes. Now I will close my eyes. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Now I will open my eyes. Wow, very nice. I see blackboard, chalk piece, books, tables. Okay, very nice. I can see on the screen, on my screen also. Okay, So eyes are very useful to us. Not only eyes, all the body parts are very useful to us. Okay. Now we are going to learn external body parts. Now we are going to external body parts. Now move on the next slide. External organs. External organs. Your children, please see on your screen external organs. Your children, what is the meaning of external organs? External organs means, yeah, we can able to see and touch. We can able to see and touch. Yeah, children, touch your eyes, touch your ears, touch your nose, yeah, touch your head, touch your fingers. Okay, yeah, children, these are called external organs. These are called external organs. External organs means we can able to touch and see. Touch and see. Okay, yeah, children, now move on the next slide. Okay, yeah, children, now I will give the time for you. Now I will give the time for 10 seconds. Okay, look at the picture. Yeah, and I count 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your children, please see your slide. What do you see? Say all of you. Head, face, shoulder, arm, neck and leg. Okay, your children, now look at the board. External body parts. Say first one, head. Head. Read the spell. H-E-A-D. Head. Your children, please after repeat with me. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Second one, face. 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 Read the spell. F-A-C-E. Face. Face. Third one, neck. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Neck. Your children, touch your neck. Touch your neck, all of you. Okay. Next. Fourth one, shoulder. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Shoulder. Your children, please touch your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. Again, once again, touch your shoulder, all of you. Okay, very good. Next, fifth one, arm. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. Arm. Okay, sixth one, leg. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Your children, please touch your leg. Okay, very good. Yeah, these are called external body parts. Yeah, children, say once again, these are called external body parts. Head, face, neck, shoulder, arm and leg. Okay. Your children, now take your EVS reader book. Students, please now take your EVS reader book, page number 5. Page number 5. Yeah, children, now I will read the book. Please after repeat with me. Yeah, children, while you attending the online class, take your EVS reader book, workbook, notebook, pencil, eraser and softener with you. Okay. Okay, children, now I will give the time for 10 seconds. Okay, quickly take your EVS reader book, workbook and notebooks, pencil, eraser with you. Quickly, children. Now your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Your children, are you ready? Okay. Take your EVS reader book, page number 5. External body parts. Your children, please finger on your book. Finger on your EVS reader book. Okay. External body parts. External body parts. First line. We all have the same body parts. We all have the same body parts. There are some body parts that we can touch and see. That we can touch and see. They are called external body parts. Yeah, children, do you understand? Some body parts you can able to touch and see. Touch and see. They are called external body parts. Yeah, children, come to the second line. They are called external body parts. The head. Next. Face. Neck. Shoulder. Arms. Legs are the main external body parts. They are called the main external body parts. Yeah, children, main means what? Important. Main means important. They are called the very main important external body parts. Okay, next line. The face has the sense organs of eyes to see. Our face has the sense organs, eyes to see. Eyes to see. Okay. Ears to hear. Ears. This is ears. We have 2 ears. Ears to hear the music. Okay, and sounds. Okay. Next. Nose to smell. Nose to smell. Smell the very flower smell and biryani smell. Okay. Nose to smell. And tongue to taste. Tongue to taste. What is the taste of ice cream? Yeah, children, do you like ice cream? What is the taste of ice cream? How to feel? With your tongue. With your tongue. Yeah, children, look at the picture. This is tongue. This is tongue. Okay, come to next line. The arms have hands and fingers to hold things. Yeah, children, please finger on your book. The arms have hands and fingers to hold things. Yeah, how to write on your notebook? How to write? Take your pen or pencil and hold on the fingers. Hold to your fingers and to write. Okay. Our fingers very help to use write. Okay. Next one. The legs have feet and toes. The legs have feet and toes to help us stand. To help us stand, walk and run. Walk and run. Next one. Our neck holds our head and connects it to the rest of our body. Rest of our body. Yeah, children, did you understand? What are the main external body parts? Yeah, children, are you clear? What is the meaning of external body parts? Anybody say the answer? What is the meaning of external body parts? External body parts means, yeah children, once again I repeat, external body parts means we can able to touch and see. Touch and see. They are called external body parts. For example, head, face, neck, shoulder, arm and leg. Arm and leg. Okay, yeah children, are you clear? Okay. Children, next we are going to cover the next part, internal body parts. Internal body parts. Yeah children, look at the board. Internal body parts. What is the meaning of internal body parts? Yeah children, internal body parts means we cannot able to see and touch. We cannot able to see and touch. They are called internal body parts. Yeah children, are you clear? Internal body parts means what? Yeah children, we cannot able to touch. We cannot able to see. Okay, this is called internal body parts. Yeah children, look at the board. Yeah, some internal body parts are right on the board. Listen, brain. First one, brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Lungs. Lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Heart. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Stomach. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. These are called internal body parts. These are called main internal body parts. Yeah children, already I told to you, main means important. Main means important body parts. Okay, let us now move on the next slide. Yeah children, now take your EVS reader book. EVS reader book, page number 5. Page number 5. Yeah, now I will read the paragraph. Listen, internal body parts. Internal body parts. Yeah children, listen. We have many body parts inside our body. We have many body parts inside our body. We cannot touch. We cannot touch and see them. Next line. They are internal body parts or organs. They are internal body parts or organs. Okay, listen. The main internal, children listen, the main internal organs are brain, heart, lungs and stomach. In addition, we also have bones and muscles inside our body. Okay, yeah children, now look at the slide. Yeah children, look at the slide all of you. This is the brain. This is the brain. Yeah, the brain is located inside of our head. Inside of our head. This is the brain. Okay, yeah children listen. It is inside of our head. Brain helps us think and learn. Brain helps us think and learn. Okay, now it is very soft. It is very soft. Okay. Next one. Next internal body part, lungs. Lungs. Say children once again, lungs. Yeah children, we have 2 lungs. How many lungs? We have 2 lungs in our chest. Children say once again, we have 2 lungs in our chest. Lungs supply air to all our body parts. Lungs supply air to all our body parts. Yeah children, look at the next slide. Heart. Heart. Read the spell for heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. This is the heart. It is one of the left side of our chest. Yeah children, show your left hand. This is my left hand. This is my, where is your left hand? Show to me. This is my left hand. It is on the left side of our chest. Heart is located in left hand side of our chest. Heart pumps blood to all our body parts. Heart is pumps the blood to all our body parts. Next, bones. Yeah children, look at the slide. Look at the slide, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now children, look at the slide. These are the bones. These are the bones. It is very hard. It is very hard. Yeah children, listen. They are hard. All bones in our body join together to form the skeleton. To form the skeleton. Bone is very hard. Okay, it is joined together. It is joined together, not separately. It is joined together to form the skeleton. To form the skeleton. Next one. Look at the slide. What is this? Yeah children, these are the muscles. These are the muscles. Yeah children, see my hand. See my hands. Yeah children, this is the skin. This is the skin. Yeah, below the skin, muscles have. We have in the below the skin we have the muscles. It have very soft. It have very soft. Yeah children, listen. These are the muscles. Look at the slide. These are the muscles. They are very soft. They cover all the bones in our body. They cover all the bones in our body. Okay. Yeah children, now did you understand the external body parts? What is the meaning of external body parts? Yeah children, we cannot able to see and touch. They are called external body parts. Okay. Yeah children, now I will ask the question for your understanding. Okay. Check your understanding. Okay. You say the answer. What is the meaning of external body parts? What is the meaning of external body parts? Yeah children, you know the answer? Very good. External body parts means we can able to see and touch. We can able to see and touch. Okay. They are called external body parts. Okay. Next question. Are you ready? Name some internal body parts. Name some internal body parts. Yeah children, say the answer. Name some internal body parts. Okay, yeah children, you know the answer? Very good. Brain, lungs, heart and stomach. Okay, very good. Yeah children, now take your workbook. Now take your workbook. Page number 5. The children quickly take your workbook, page number 5, worksheet number 1. Worksheet number 1. Your children take your pencil also. Children, please take your pencil also. Now look at the slide. Your children listen. What do you see on the screen? Listen, now I will read the workbook. Your children listen. Label the main external body parts on the diagram below. Once again, label the main external body parts on the diagram below. Your children, label means what? Label means to write. Label means what? To write. Label the main. Main means important. Main means important. Label the main external body parts on the diagram. Diagram means what? Picture. Diagram means picture. Okay, yeah children, now I read the answer in the box. Listen, finger on your book. First one, head. Head. Yeah children, please take your finger on the book. Quickly, finger on your book, answer in the box. Head. Take your pencil. Now I will give the time for you. Write on the picture. Head. Write the answer. Head. Yeah, where is the head in the diagram? Your children, quickly take your pencil. Write the answer. Head. The answer is in your workbook. In the box. Head. Head. Next one. Face. Where is the face? Your children, take your pencil. Write the answer. Face. Face. Next one. Neck. Your children, where is located neck? On the diagram. Children, quickly take your pencil. Write neck. Next. Shoulder. Shoulder. Take your pencil. Your children, quickly write the answer. Shoulder. Next. Arm. Arm. Write the answer. Arm. Next. Leg. Yeah, where is the leg? Quickly children, write fast. Okay. Yeah children, did you finish? Very good. Good children. Next, number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 2, fill in the blanks in your workbook. First question. Our legs have feet and dash. Our legs have feet and dash. What answer? Toes. Toes. Where is the answer? Answer is given the box. Toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. Okay, yeah children, next one. Next question. Our face has eyes to see and nose to dash. Nose to dash. What answer? Smell. Very good. Smell. Take your pencil. Write the answer. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay, very good children. Next question. Our neck connects our hands to the rest of our dash. Our neck connects our head to the rest of our dash. What answer? Our body. Our body. Yeah children, take your pencil, write the answer. B-O-D-Y. Body. Okay children, now look at the board. fill in the blanks. Your answer is given on the board. Your children listen. Our legs have feet and dash. Toes. Take your pencil, write quickly. Toes. Yeah, I will give the time 5 seconds. Quickly children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your time over. Next question. Our face has eyes to see and nose to smell. Smell. Take your pencil. Your children write quickly. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay, your children come to next question. Our neck connects our head to the rest of our body. Neck. Then our neck connects our head to the rest of our body. Your children quickly write the answer. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Okay, your children, did you understand the external body parts and internal body parts? Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.